Today we'll have a look at exactly how to produce Excel formulas in a very easy method, using ChatGPT thanks to synthetic knowledge. We can make use of Excel operates a lot more properly. Let's begin. Hey there, and welcome to Easy Click Academy. My name's Frank, and with each other with our Easy Click team, we're here to make certain you will be able to use Excel in a quick and very easy means. Thanks to our digestible video clip tutorials every day, we create and use various formulas when functioning with Excel. We're acquainted with some of them. The formula you require, yet may not know with yet, can be generated, based upon your summary of what you require to do in a spreadsheet. You can utilize your very own words and there is no requirement to talk. Excellent English at all. Let's have a take a look at some specific instances which will certainly demonstrate how we can utilize this remarkable device. I-aided solution editor, which uses ChatGPT. It's vital to keep in mind that, even though this device is not free, you can mount it and attempt it out free of cost. Very first we'll begin with how this tool functions, and, at the end of the tutorial, we'll go through exactly how to include this powerful AI device to your screen. However, let's do all this action by action to see just how you can make the finest use of it to begin. Let's make sure that the pane on the right reveals only what we require, which means we'll conceal the cell formula bit by clicking on it, and we'll leave the AI generator part on. We're most likely to handle creating formulas now, and we'll have a closer appearance at various other aspects of this tool later in different video tutorials. Whatever prepares currently, we can start. Allow state. We need to discover the sum of the worths in the series of cells C3 to C7 first kind. In your very own words, what we need to do below in the field define your formula. We can kind sum of cells C3 to C7. We struck submit, and in a couple of seconds, the AI reacts in the field listed below with the appropriate formula having the right range of cells. We intend to accumulate. Now we can click the target cell, the cell where we intend to present the result, which in our instance is C8. We use this arrowhead to replicate the formula into the selected cell. Easily click on this switch, and below we go. The formula's been quickly duplicated there, and the cell reveals the outcome as soon as possible. And let's go on. We fill up the second column, column D, with information, and below we'll be trying to find the average of these numbers. We remove the initial request and type the description of a new task. We can kind in standard of cells D3 to D7. We press submit, and the created formula, which will certainly do the work we want it to do, appears listed below once more. And once again, we click the target cell. In this situation it's D8. We press the arrowhead button, which will duplicate the formula into the cell, and below is the result. The average of the cells D3 to D7 is 3. We should be conscious that one cannot depend on AI entirely. It might not always generate the appropriate formula. That is why it's vital to discover exactly how to use this device, exactly how to be accurate when creating the description of a demand, and, generally, to constantly use usual feeling to examine the tool. It's additionally vital to remember that AI is learning, so, if you are pleased with the created formula, ensure to strike such switch. If AI did not create the appropriate formula, press the dislike switch. Your comments boosts AI responses, so in truth, it's being instructed ahead up with far better and much better results. Currently, let's fill in the following column, and let's place in the description that we wish to find out the maximum worth in column E. We key in how to find the maximum value in cells E3 to E7. Press submit and copy the formula using the arrow button. Once again, below we go. The optimum worth in column E is 5. However, let's try something more challenging. We can fill column F with data, and we can search for out whether there is a number 1 among these values. And we want the outcome as the response yes or no, and this is just how we can explain this demand right if the number 1 remains in cells F3 to F7. Compose, yes, or else, compose. No. Again we hit submit, and AI has actually instantly produced the best formula. We can see that this set is a bit much more difficult than the ones prior to, so replicate the formula in the target cell and we can inspect whether it works appropriately. We can see that the outcome is yes, due to the fact that there is a number 1 in the cell F3. If we rewrite the information and change it to allow claim number 7, the message in the cell F8 modifications to no, because there is no number 1 in column F currently. Yet let's reword the number 4 in the cell F6 and place the worth 1 instead, and the outcome alters back to yes again. What's wonderful concerning this AI tool is that you do not require to be accustomed to all sort of Excel formulas, but you have got them all at hand just by having the ability to define in a pair of words what's the outcome you need. We can put in how lots of worths in cells G3 to G7 are better than 3 for description. We press send once more, and below is our formula. This is how AI can assist you at job while making use of Excel. You can generate even a lot more difficult formulas simply by claiming in a straightforward way what you require. If you like this device that utilizes ChatGPT, we're going to have an appearance at how you can add it to your Excel. Allow me begin with the info that there is a monthly membership. If you intend to use this tool, nevertheless, you can begin utilizing it completely free. The trial standard plan is limited to an optimum of 8 AI demands each week, and now we can take a look at how to install it. Go to the Insert tab and pick the alternative, Get Add-ins. Utilize the Browse field to discover AI-aided formula, editor, press the Add button, read and validate terms and conditions and click on Continue. You will certainly see the device pane below on the right, and you will certainly see a new tab show up on top where you can open the editor anytime. An advantage is the device does not need any type of difficult assimilation. You do not need to have a ChatGPT account. There is no requirement for API tricks or anything like that. A straightforward registration is adequate here. You just enter your email, develop a password, and that is all it takes. A verification email is sent out to your address and you can register and start using the device right now. My account's been established, so we'll just authorize in and I can see whatever we worked with just a while ago. If you do not need to deal with the editor now, you can shut it by clicking on the X below in the upper right edge of the pane. And to call this terrific AI assistant back on the display, click this button under the tab, AI Aided Solution Editor. So do you feel like providing all of it a shot? Leave us a note in the comments area listed below. We'll be delighted to speak with you, and if you simulate to know more of this device, for instance, exactly how to comprehend the solutions you created via the formula editor, have a look at another video tutorial by Easy Click Academy. Give us a like and view other tutorials by Easy Click Academy if you located this tutorial valuable. Find out exactly how to use Excel in an easy and fast way? Is this your initial time on Easy Click? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our on the internet community. Hit that subscribe switch and join the Easy Clickers. Many thanks for seeing and sickness. See you in the next video clip. Read more: Streamlining Business Growth with Project Management Tools.